How to fix Instagram messages not sending. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Web2 app. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram messages not sending. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are facing problem while sending messages to your friends on Instagram, it might be happening because of a couple of reasons. So the very first reason might be that you are not connected to stable internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to stable internet connection. So after this step, if you are still facing the problem, it might be happening because your application is not updated to its latest version. Now to update your Instagram application to its latest version, go to your Play Store on your mobile device and search for Instagram on the search bar and search for Instagram. And in this space, if you see update button instead of open, that means that your application needs to be updated to its latest version. So if you tap on the update button instead of open, your update files will be downloaded to your mobile device and your application will be updated to its latest version. But if you don't see any update button instead of open, that means that your application is already updated to its latest version, and you can see that my application is already updated to its latest version. So after doing this step, if you are still facing the problem, what you can do is go to settings on your mobile device. And what we are going to do is clear cache files on our mobile device. So what we are going to do is clear cache files on our Instagram application so that it will clear up space for our Instagram application to run smoothly. So now tap on the option that says apps and notifications. Just tap on it and search for Instagram on the search icon, which is around at the top right side of the screen on my device, but I can see it on my recently opened app. So I'm going to tap here and I will be taken to app information section of Instagram, and now you can see the option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache to clear all the cache files on Instagram application or the temporary files, which will free up space for Instagram application to run smoothly. So after doing this step, if you are still facing the problem, what you can do is simply uninstall your Instagram application and install it again. And sometimes there might be some issues with your application and bugs in your application, so simply you need to uninstall your application by pressing and holding it. So to uninstall your Instagram application, you need to press and hold your application and drag it to uninstall, but I'm not going to uninstall it on my case. So do that, and also try to restart your device, and sometimes restarting your device solves many problems on your mobile device. So after doing all these steps, I hope that you will be able to fix Instagram messages not sending on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.